sold is the Harden LX buckle. It's right here. Alright, so this one is a lifestyle shoes from Adidas James Harden collection, and I really like the colorway on this one, triple black. But the only downside for me is this suede-ish. I just don't like that one. But this one should be very comfortable shoe, lifestyle shoe, because of the boost around the midsole. It has a huge boost right there. So how much did we got this one? I got this on Marshalls for $24.99 and on Goat for $70, making at least 100% return of ROI. Alright, next one we sold is the Kyrie 6. It's right here. So this one retailing on $130. This one is size 12. And there you go. A nice colorway of white and black with kind of pure platinum black midsole. Very good. This one is one of a kind basketball shoe, especially the outrigger down here. Yeah, very comfortable for basketball. I got this one on Nike factory store for $69.97 with the additional 30% off. I sold it on Gold for $110, making at least somewhere around 30 to 35 return of investment. So next one, we sold the women's Air Jordan Rebel. It's right there. You'll be surprised how much money I made on that one. And here you go, women's Air Jordan 1 Rebel X. Retail on this one is $145. And there we go. How much we got this one? $29.97 with the additional 30% off. And this one sitting on the outlet for months on that price, and no one's buying it. Yeah, I'm not really sure why they went to the outlet. Yeah, not much of demand, and also the price really went through $29.97 with the additional 30% off. So I scooped a couple of this one since the market value when I saw them is really low, so it's like just money back. But it's a good thing I still got a few sizes, and this is the last one. And the good part is holding them. Yeah, it's almost a year holding on this Jordan 1 Rebel, and yeah, it is worth holding it. So getting them for $29.97, and then I sold them for $150. Amount made after fees is $130. So at least I'm making more than 5 times my money. More than 5 times of my money. It's just because it's very cheap, and then holding them for almost a year. That is a massive profit. Alright, so next one, sold a Nike Airmax 2017. I got size 8.5, but the one I sold is the size 8. And then next one we sold is the Jordan Mars. And also sold this one, Adidas Supernova GTX M. And I think this one is a trail shoes, running shoes. And this one comes with a Gore-Tex technology. Got this one on Marshalls, as you can see, $34.99. I sold it on eBay for $106. That is a good return on those. And a few more shoes, sneakers that been holding, and these are bricks that I found from the Nike factory store. And this one is the Jordan Mars 270 retail, and this one is $160. Got this for $59.99, additional 30% off. Last pair on this one. And Jordan Mars are really not that high demand, but hey, got them for $59.99, and then I sold it for $110, free shipping. So there you go. So this one is the massive return, Nike Airmax 2017 Deep Royale. Retail on this one, take note, $190. Got this one on Nike factory store, $59.97 with the additional 30% off. And then I sold this one for whopping 250 baha, free shipping. And so be on the lookout for this Airmax 2017. That is why they keep on restocking on this particular Airmax of 2017, because there is high demand for those who really wanted to have them. A massive return of profit on just one Airmax 2017 that is sitting on the Nike factory store. You got a biggest size on this one? 7?
7?
Yeah.
I think it's long 7.
Alright, looks like we got good stuff right now here on Champs. They also have the photos. We got some Jordan 1 mid denim.